How to find ID from LinkedIn profile. So if you want to find your LinkedIn ID, then first you need to just open up your browser. You can't do that from your application. So you need to open up your browser on your device, mobile device, or on your laptop, anything that you're comfortable with. And after that, you need to go with search. And under search, you need to search for LinkedIn. And after that, go with login and sign up and go with the top right, which has that three dots, and make sure to go to desktop site option. Now under your desktop site here on the top, you will have me option, right? So you just need to simply tap on me and then tap on view profile. Now once you're here under the profile on the top, you just need to simply go with the search bar. Just tap on the search bar, and here on the bottom of the search, you will have a pencil shaped icon on the right side, right? So you just need to simply tap on it, and this is your ID. So you can simply copy it. You'll have the copy option on the left side of that pencil shaped icon. You can simply tap on it and it will be copied. So that is your LinkedIn profile ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.